With the build of 3 semi-mobile sizing stations for the MAMO 8 project finally completed, MMD's transporter was on hand to relocate the stations to their new operating locations. Negotiating gradients of nearly 6%, the semi-mobiles are transported in 4 unique modules: the discharge conveyor, sizer module, control tower, and the largest section, the hopper module. MMD have supplied MAMO since 1993. The new machines form part of the mine's long-term expansion, providing electricity to millions of homes and businesses across Thailand. The success of the project is down to dedicated cross-border collaboration between the global manufacturing network of MMD companies. MMD, Green Mining Solutions.